If you want to hit 100 subscribers every day, this is exactly how you should do it. Do you know that you can actually hit 100 subscribers every single day? Now, if you're a YouTuber that is aiming at 1,000, your first 1,000 subscribers to reach monetization, this particular method is going to help you achieve 100 or more subscribers every single day. You know, applying this particular method, I was able to hit this number of subscribers, and I also hit this number of subscribers. So applying this particular method will guarantee you 100 subscribers every single day. If you take a look at this particular video, you will see that with this method, I did not just get subscribers, I also get 25,000 views plus over 40 subscribers, close to 50 subscribers in just one video. The strategy I applied in achieving this particular result is what I want to share with you in this video. But first, hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're great and you're winning your world. This is Amigos Concept and I'm back with another beautiful information. If today is your first time tuning in, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so other people can get this amazing information. Now, with all that being said, let us dive straight into the purpose of this video. Now, to complete this exercise, we're going to go to our YouTube channel. Not YouTube Studio. Now go to your YouTube channel, okay, and let me show you the video I did with this particular strategy. Take a look at it. Let me pause it. Take a look at this particular video now. Let me click on the analytics to show you what I got. So I posted this video, though I posted it 2 weeks ago. I don't really work on this channel, okay. I don't really work on this particular channel. I focus on my main channel. But when I discovered this strategy, I decided to try it out with this my channel. And in 24 hours, I was able to get 25 subscribers. Before then, I had less than 15 subscribers on this channel. And just one of these collab strategy gave me 41 subscribers and also opened my channel up for live streaming. So this particular channel that you're seeing here can go live, okay, and the community button is enabled, okay. So this is what I did. Let me show you. So if you want to do this particular, what you need to do, the person I use is Caleb. So you go to your search. You can use other big creators like Prosperity X, but I use OG Caleb. So you just type pay attention, no, OG Caleb 7. Okay, when you type it like this, then you click on search and search the guy. This is the correct spelling, at OGCALEB, Caleb 7. This is the correct spelling. So when he opens, this is the guy. As you can see now, this particular channel is focused on shorts. He has 197 videos. 197 videos in this channel. Now let me show you his video. Just one video, okay, just one video. So most of the things that this guy posts is, look at his live stream, just few. Most of the things he posts is shorts, and most of his shorts are, you know, all of his shorts in fact are bangers, okay, and he's a monetized content creator. So if you want to do this thing, all you need to do now is to just locate any shorts here, anyone that has high view, okay. Okay, let's just use this particular one. It's just for the purpose of this video, so I'll click on it. So now the next thing you need to do now is to click on this particular button where you see plus. You click on it, okay. So now you can either use this sound to recreate a video, but what we are going for is this collab option. So you click on the collab. Next, you click on next and you allow it to load. Okay, so now that we're here, we want to collab with this particular creator. So all we need to do right now is you click on start. You click on start, this particular button. I don't know how it's showing on your own end, but you click on it like so. Now when you are done with that, just pause it. So when you're done with that, you just edit it, go to next, because this particular video I am going to post it. I don't want to waste this particular thing I've done. So you post it, edit it, just put your caption. That's very funny. Okay, so you, from this pencil sign, you can choose where you want to be your wallpaper, like your display picture. What do we call it now? Thumbnail. Yes, you can choose your thumbnail. Yeah, okay, so when you're done with that, you click on this and title your video. Put the hashtags shorts, hashtag funny. Since I've learned my lesson, I don't use too many hashtags anymore. Hashtags relatable. Hashtag collab. So when you're done with this, when you're done with that, so I always like to unlist my shot for at least 2 to 4 hours. So it's now unlisted. Then you can put related video. You can add a related video to this. Okay, it has not been enabled on this phone, but you can add a related video if you're doing it on your own. So when you have that, I'll just click on next and I'll just upload. Since it's already unlisted, I'll just upload it. So that is exactly how you can do this. Now after uploading this shot, it may not be getting views immediately. Like this particular one that has 25k views took like 3 to 4 hours before it started getting views. Now this particular one that has 5.6k also took a little time before it started getting views. So this is exactly how you can achieve your 100 subscribers every single day. If you can do this for 3 different videos, then you are good to go. Your over 100 subscribers is guaranteed for you. Do you understand? But please don't use one video multiple times. I have seen that it can give you problems in your channel. So one video per one collab. If you are a small YouTuber who just started your journey and you're aiming at your 1000 subscriber, I recommend you try this particular strategy. People are using it to blow up their channels. Even monetized channels are also applying this particular strategy to increase their revenue. So instead of you to be going up and down sharing your links and begging people to subscribe to your channel, why not try this particular strategy? It will definitely work for you because it's working for other people, it's working for me, so it will definitely work for you. And also, if you're growing your subscribers with this particular strategy, once you cross your 1000 subscribers, I need you to stop using this particular strategy and focus on creating quality content. It doesn't matter if the views are just 20, 50. The reason is that audience for long form videos and audience for short form videos are 2 different audience. Okay, the algorithm treats these audiences the same. The way they treat your long form video is different from the way they treat your shorts. Okay, and if you want to make good revenue from YouTube, you should focus on long form videos. Don't worry about views. Okay, once you start creating your long form videos, views should be the least thing on your mind. I'm telling you this from experience. You know, these few weeks that I just took a little break from YouTube to do surveys, you know, I came back and I saw a lot of goodies. Some of my video has peaked. I hope you got value from this video. If you do, please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, and also share so that other people can get this amazing information. Thank you so much for watching and staying with me to the end of this video. I will definitely see you in my next one.